Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So for performing the experiments related to mixtures, let's discuss in detail about the mixture. So introduction to liquid dosage forms in that mixtures. Mixture is monophasic liquid dosage form which is taken internally. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixtures. Mixtures are get classified into following these 5 types. Simple mixture containing soluble substances, mixtures containing diffusible solids, mixtures containing indiffusible solids, mixtures containing potent medicament, and mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first class is a simple mixture containing soluble substances. Simple mixture contains only soluble ingredients. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are the insoluble in water but get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient time so that when the patient take the medicament by the spoon from container, the medicament is available in the right quantity. Example of diffusible solids are magnesium carbonate. Then third type is a mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long time. Therefore, to suspended the drug, suspending agents are added. Example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin. Examples of suspending agents: the compound tragacanth powder in the proportion of 2 grams per 100 ml, that is 10 grains per ounce of the mixture. Tragacanth mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of the final volume of the mixture. Compound tragacanth powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but the tragacanth mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or chloroform water. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. The insoluble portions of the slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed. For an example, compound tragacanth powder or tragacanth mucilage is used. Then fifth one, mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weightable or weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and then required dilutions are carried out to give the prescribed strength of the formulation. Recommended container for mixture: plain glass bottles with the uniform intended internal diameter. Special labeling instructions for mixture with diffusible and indiffusible solids. Shake well before use. So let's move towards experiment. So now let's discuss about experiment number 13. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the mixture containing slightly soluble liquid 10 ml. This is the formulation and method of preparation of mixture containing for the slightly soluble liquid. Proposition 1. Slightly soluble liquid is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed to be added in such mixtures. Examples: compound tragacanth powder or tragacanth mucilage. Learning objectives for this experiment are to understand the purpose of mixture containing slightly soluble liquid and its method of preparation and ability to prepare and label the mixture correctly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, beaker, measuring cylinder, funnel, muslin cloth, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 30 is equal to 0.33. Prescription, which is given in the Latin terms. So now let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. First of all, type, that is the ingredients, category or use of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml, quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, and quantity taken in metric system for 10 ml. So first, paraldehyde, it is used as a sedative hypnotic. Quantity given in imperial, that is drachm J. 1 drachm is equal to 4 and J stands for liquid, so 4 into 1, that is 4 ml. Quantity taken is calculated by multiplying this 4 ml with the 0.33, which is a factor. So 4 into 0.33 we will get 1.32 ml. Second, syrup, flavoring sweetening agent, Drachum IJ. So 1 drachm is equal to 4. So 4 into 1 ml, that is 4 ml, and quantity taken is calculated as 4 into 0.33, that is equal to 1.32 ml. Then liquid extract of glycyrrhiza used as a sweetening agent. Drachum SS means SS stands for divided by 2. So 1 drachm is a 4 divided by 2, we will get 2 ml, and quantity taken, again multiply this 2 ml with 0.33, we will get 0.66 ml. Water used as a vehicle, add ounce J, means add ounce stands for 30, so 30 into 1, that is 30 ml. Quantity taken up to 10 ml. Direction for this is 1 tablespoonful to be taken before meal. For performing actual experiment, we will move towards laboratory. So now let's proceed for actual performance of this experiment in practical in laboratory. So let's see, this is paraldehyde which is already weighed. This is gum tragacan powder from which we prepared this tragacan mucilage. This is the sucrose from which we prepared this syrup, and this is licorice powder, that is also called Glycyrrhiza glabra. So this is the liquid extract of glycyrrhiza, that is licorice, and this is purified water. So first of all, we will going to take this paraldehyde into this bottle, tiered bottle. After that, we are going to add this gum tragacan, that is tragacanth mucilage, which is prepared from gum tragacan powder, into it, and then let's proceed for shaking this bottle. After this, we are going to add this syrup which is prepared from that sucrose, which we are going to add into it. After that, we are going to add licorice extract of this glycyrrhiza into it, and then after pouring this our solution from this tiered bottle to this measuring cylinder, we pour this, and then we are proceeding for making volume up to 10 ml. So after making or preparing this volume makeup for this preparation, we will fill this into container and then proceed for labeling part. Proceed for, as we fill our formulation into this container and prepare label for it. So let's see labeling of formulation. Mixture containing slightly soluble liquid 10 ml for ABC. Here name of patient is written, register number XYZ, which is number given in the register, dispensed by PQR. Here one can write the name of pharmacist and date, that is manufacturing date August 2020. Storage condition, store in a cool and dark place. Then shake well before use, and one more direction for using this formulation as 2 tablespoonful to be taken before meal, as this is the antacid preparation manufactured by Element Pharmacy. Here one Nasik, one can write the name of industry. So the 10